Here's how you can install Homebrew on Mac. First, open Terminal on your Mac. Before installing Homebrew, make sure the Xcode command line tools are installed. Enter this command in Terminal, /xcode-select, install. Press enter and follow the installation prompt if the tools aren't already installed. Next, open your web browser and go to the official Homebrew website. Find the installation command shown on the Homebrew homepage and copy it. Return to Terminal and paste the Homebrew installation command. Press enter to start the installation. You may be asked to enter your Mac administrator password. When typing your password, nothing will appear on screen, which is normal. The installer will then download and install Homebrew along with the required files. Follow any prompts displayed in Terminal and allow the process to finish. Once the installation is complete, you can verify that Homebrew is working by opening a new Terminal window or tab and entering brew update. This checks for the latest Homebrew updates. If the command runs without an error, Homebrew has been successfully installed and is ready to use. That's all for this video. Thanks.